Good morning. I had planned on going to Natural Tunnel State Park and doing that 4 mile hike today because it's gorgeous outside and it's kind of warm. But my dryer has went out. So I'm going to have to go to Corbin, which is the nearest Lowe's, and get a dryer. So yeah, come along with me. Gonna stop and get something to eat on the way down to pick up that dryer. Already ordered it and doing like the curbside pickup. Isn't it wonderful? It is too windy. So there's my plate. And there's Way's plate. Round one down. And there's Way's round one down. Second round. This is so good. It's so much better than the one in Middlesboro. Sorry to say. Coconut shrimp.
Where's Mama? Mama. Where'd Mama go?
Okay.
Papa. Where'd Papa go? Here. Where'd Mama go?
Butter shrimp.
Wait, to the other side. Mimi, get the food off. Where'd Mama go?
So good. Now we're all alone in this one little room. It's very good. Very good. Round two down. And there's Waze. He always puts it in a bowl. Yeah, I got a variety. Let's try this one first. Coconut.
Yeah, there was some kind of egg.
This one. This looks good. Oh, that's really good. Let's try the fake cheesecake. Yeah. Ooh. No. No, 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 no. Oh. Which I've always hated no baked cheesecake. Always. Try this one. Refreshing. Let's try this one. Okay. Different. It just don't. Well, it's really good. So we finished. We're going. clothes. I really like that. I think I need one for my room. It doesn't seem like it's as busy in Corbin today as it normally is. Usually it's like the highway is packed, but yeah, not too busy. Especially for a Sunday afternoon. King Buffet in Corbin. So my rating between 1 and 10 for this one is going to be an 8.5 because this is really good. It's a whole lot better than the one in Middlesboro. I hate to say it, but it is. Can't go to Corbin without going to the Dollar Tree because this is a really good Dollar Tree. Christmas. Cute. Gingerbread man. So cute. Oh, little dogs. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys. Oh, look at that. Mini Uno cards. More Christmas stuff. Oh, oh, oh. Interesting. used to have a cup exactly like this till somebody broke it. They've got all the stuff to match too. It's getting to that point where it's cold in the shade, and then nice and warm in the sun. So okay, let's go to what Way calls Lowe's. We finally made it to our destination. We're here at Lowe's, waiting on the curbside pickup. Little funny side story I thought of when I saw these. Back in the day, when I was out with my grandmother and we were shopping or something, and we'd see something like this, something expensive, $10,699. I would say, oh look, it's only $10,699. And her response to me every time would be, oh, well, then we should get two.
Have a good day. Y'all have a good rest of your day, too.
There it are. I actually talked Way into going into Lowe's. When I was working on our little house, I was down here every other day. Oh my word. That's a lot of Christmas stuff. And big stuff too. Shoot. Oh my gosh. I want that. Ooh, pretty. There's a whole little Christmas village. The Grinch. Oh my gosh, there's the lamp. Oh, and Mickey Mouse. I used to have one like that for outside. That was years and years ago, though. Gingerbread men. So we have looked all over Lowe's. We've looked at flooring. We've looked at everything. Paint, doors, all that stuff. So, yeah. Now we're going to get home and hook up this dryer so we can dry some clothes.